As per media reports published on Monday, the 10th of January 2022, that the implementation of the Jal Jeevan Mission or JJM scheme in the state has been stopped by the central government, Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma, while speaking to reporters, said that this is unfortunate that such a reputed newspaper has not done its homework and stated that the information published is baseless and false. The Chief Minister further informed that the JJM-related work is going on in full swing and there is no such thing as stoppage in the work either by the state or central governments. He further informed that the concerned news agency has apologized and will publish correct information on the particular matter.
It's very unfortunate that a reputed paper like Shillong Times has not done their homework, and the information that has come out is completely false. There is no such aspect to any stoppage of work of JJM or stoppage from Government of India. In fact, work is going on in full swing. We are today, within a year and a half, we have covered almost close to 2 lakh plus houses, where almost 10 lakh individuals have been benefited with the scheme, and the team is working overtime to ensure that we meet our targets. So in the middle of all this, while the team is working so hard, it's unfortunate to see that such kind of articles which have no base are baseless articles and without the fact-finding have been put up. Shillong Times has been told about it, and they have apologized, and I'm sure that they will come out with corrective article on that.